Hi, welcome to Deb's Villa Cucina. So I am talking a little bit about some 5-ingredient recipes, and this one I'm making tonight is my favorite. It's a homemade pesto. Now what we know about pesto is usually you have to use basil, you have to use those expensive pine nuts, and there's always cheese. But as you know, I try and do things that are dairy-free and gluten-free, so I thought I'd show you how I make my pesto, and I'll tell you it tastes as good as anything you buy in the store. You can use it as a base on a pesto. Tonight I'm going to be putting it on top of mashed potatoes, just to give those mashed potatoes a little bit of an extra flavor. Pesto just is kind of like one of our mainstays. You can put it on top of chicken, put it on top of salmon. It's something that's always in my refrigerator. So what I've done is I've got a couple of cloves of garlic and about a little bit, a heaping half cup of walnuts. As I said, I'm not using the pine nuts. And then I don't have enough basil leaves, but I had some spinach. So I'm gonna stick that in just to cover to the top, the basil and the spinach. That's gonna fill in the gaps. And as I said, no dairy. Here is nutritional yeast. I actually get this at Whole Foods. It tastes like cheese. It's pretty much B vitamins and tastes just like cheese. We'll sprinkle cheese with it as a Parmesan cheese. It's really good. And then I'll put a little bit of olive oil. This is pretty much, yeah, I'm not a good measurer because I want I go more by consistency. So let me just get this up and rolling here. And I see it still needs a little bit of oil, so I'm going to drop in just a little bit extra oil in there so it gives me a nice little and let's turn off, see how it's looking. So 5 ingredients, so easy. Oops, there's a leaf. Look how wonderful this is. Sometimes I taste it might need a little bit of salt. It's luscious. Really fast. And like I said, there's so many reasons to have pesto in your house. I'll see you next time.